Are you a new mom and looking forward cloth diapering your child? Is your child really rash prone and you're looking for a solution to it? If the answer to the questions is a yes, then you have come to the right place. Hello, you mommies. This is Mostly Mom, where we talk about products and services related to kids as well as their mommies. For those who have been following us for a while, please do not get confused as we have just rebranded from Casey to Mostly Mom. However, the drill remains the same. You have to like and share this video. For those people who are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so that you get to know whenever we upload the new video. So today's video is all about cloth diapers. There is a lot of hush hush amongst mommies whether to use cloth diapers or not, and if those mommies who are interested to use them, they don't know how to use it. Basically guys, this is my stash of cloth diapers, and believe me guys, I have used all the brands available in the Indian market on my 18-month-old toddler. So basically, I can provide you the first-hand information and my experiences for the same. For those people who are interested to know the reviews of each brand available in Indian market, please leave a comment below and I'll do a separate video on it. As per now, this video is divided into 3 parts. In first part, we will be discussing what is cloth diaper and how to use them. In second part, we will be discussing the advantages and the disadvantages of using a cloth diaper, and in third part, I will be sharing my personal experiences and my personal justification of how to use them and in a best suitable manner for my baby. Now, what is cloth diaper? Cloth diaper for me is a traditional technique wrapped up in a modern manner, because cloth diaper actually consists of 2 parts, the outer lining and the insert. The outer shell generally is made up of waterproof material with a dry fit lining over it. The waterproof material does not let the pee come out of the diaper, and the dry fit lining keeps the baby bumps dry. The outer shell basically comes in 3 varieties: all-in-one diaper, pocket diaper and cover diaper. What's the difference? I will tell you. The all-in-one diaper basically has 2 flaps at the edges along with touch buttons to hold on to the inserts. The center part of all-in-one diaper, however, has an inbuilt soaker to add on to the soaking capability of the cloth diaper, just because all-in-one diaper are generally used at the night. On the other hand comes the pocket diaper and the cover diaper. Cover diaper is similar to all-in-one diaper, except the center part soaker is not available in cover diaper. They are usually used for the newborns or the infants who pee a lot but in less quantity. Pocket diaper basically are the most widely used diapers in Indian markets. As the name suggests, they have a pocket to insert the diaper within. Now talking about inserts. Inserts basically are the soakers that soak the pee, and the outer shell keep them intact. Inserts are available in 3 varieties: bamboo charcoal, hemp and microfiber. Each variety has its own pros and cons. Bamboo charcoal is the most commonly used insert because it can actually soak around 2 to 3 bouts of the pee. The problem lies in it being little thick, so it is little difficult to layer with, and it gives a wet feel to the child unless it has a dry fit shield over it. Microfiber insert, on the other hand, really quickly soaks the pee. However, it works as a sponge, so whenever the child is doing an activity, the child actually feels that kind of, the wetness that you might feel in a sponge, like pressing the sponge and you will feel the wetness. The same happens with the child. However, on regular basis, if it is being combined with any other kind of insert that soaks the pee better, so it will give a dry feel to the child. Hemp, out of all the soakers, has the most capacity to soak in, and they are the thinnest. However, the disadvantage lies that they cannot be directly used to the skin of the child as they give rashes. Hemp diapers are considered to be the best as they are thinnest of all, and they have the most potential to soak in the water, or let's say in this case the urine. The disadvantage lies that they can give rashes to the child because they are really dry, and that is why they're not good for the skin. Now, knowing about inserts, you know why pocket diapers is commonly used, because with bamboo charcoal you need pocket diaper. With the hemp diapers, you generally need a pocket diaper, or you need a combination of more than 2 inserts, especially during the night. Usage of cloth diaper is really very easy. Just pop in the insert and the diaper is ready to use. There are snap buttons given on the outer shells to adjust to the thighs as well as waist of the child. These snap buttons are so many that it can also adjust to the height of the child. Now, moving on to the second part of the video is discussing the advantages and disadvantages of using cloth diapers. The first advantage being it being pocket friendly. Yes, you have seen my stash and I have just invested rupees 3000. I've been using it for over a year now, and I do plan to use it for next year also. And especially for those mothers who are planning for a second child, they can keep these stash of cloth diapers with them, and they can use for the second child as well. The second advantage lies it being eco-friendly. Yes, guys, it's high time. We all should be really environment friendly, and we should be aware. Did you know that one disposable diaper takes 500 years to decompose? Yes, I got to know while I was doing my research for this video, and I was literally taken aback of how many diapers we actually use on one baby. So it's really high time to, get into cloth diapers and save our environment. Why not? The third advantage lies these cloth diapers being skin friendly. Yes, guys, in the starting, I asked if you are a new mom and looking for rash solution for your child, cloth diaper is an answer. Cloth diapers, because as the name suggests, they are based on cloth, and cloth do not give rashes. So that's why for those children who are really rash prone, like my 18-month-old, he is really rash prone and he's a heavy wetter too. So I had to switch to cloth diapers. Moving on to the disadvantages, I found number one was it really demands maintenance. Yes, guys, you need to wash them, you need to dry them, and you need to reuse them. Unlike disposable diapers, they are easy to use. You just have to tear them and you have to just throw them away. These cloth diapers really demand maintenance, and for those mothers who are ready to give in their best, shall opt for cloth diapers. Number two is that they are bulky. Layering makes them bulky, and it is really difficult while you're traveling or while you're going out, or make these bulky diapers wear beneath the formal wear like trousers or leggings even. Alright, so they're really bulky. And the third disadvantage that I found is receiving the poop. Of course, no one wants to receive the poop of the child, and no matter how aware you are of your child's routine, you might have to receive the poop once or twice a day. Receiving the poop probably is the biggest disadvantage that I found in cloth diaper. Yes, guys, but in this third part of the video, you will get to know that how I use these diapers, and it makes my life easy, as well as probably it is going to affect your life as well. If you think, how will cloth diapers sustain throughout the night? Your question is absolutely legitimate. No matter what companies say that a cloth diaper can sustain for today 10 to 12 hours, but I did not find any cloth diaper who can sustain so. However, in my case, because my child is a heavy wetter, I could not find a proper diaper also who can sustain for 12 hours. I used to give him a diaper change. Similarly, for cloth diapers, I started giving him a diaper change. Whenever I used to get up for rocking him or probably feeding him, I used to give him a diaper change, and there you go. The cloth diaper could sustain 12 hours of night, and my child was rash free as well as I was poop free. Also, because night wears are really comfy and loose, they can actually sustain the bulkiness of the cloth diapers, and a child can easily sleep in. One more advantage I found of cloth diaper is that they can be used for potty training, because as we all know that the disposable diaper cannot be used once they are being used for pee. However, the cloth diaper, because they are reusable, and the inserts can be changed anytime, they are a very good source for potty training. So just because to save his bumps from those red rashes. So towards the end of this video, my recommendation about cloth diapers: use a combination of both. Yes, dearies, everything has a pros and cons. If used in moderation, you can have the best of both the worlds. The cloth diapers can be used at night and can be avoided while traveling. Why at night? I will give you an answer. Because most of the kids do not poop at the night, and that is the longest time that the child wears the diapers at a stretch. You can use disposable diapers while traveling or while going out to a party, or even while the child is pooping, and the cloth diapers can be used rest of the time, probably at the night, or if the routine of the child is set, you can actually use it during the day also. So basically, if you switch to cloth diaper, you will make the child rash free as well as you poop free, you know what I mean. So this way you will be saving on the money, saving on the environment, as well as keeping your baby's skin at comfort. Disposable diapers, however, you can use while traveling, while going to the party, or probably while the child is pooping. Well, folks, that's all for the day. If you really like the content of the video, do share the video and subscribe us. We are coming up with a summer series where we will be discussing about the moisturizers and the sunscreens that you shall use on the baby's skin, as well as we will be discussing the activities that one can opt for during summer vacations 2021. Also, we will be discussing the online activities that one can opt during the summer vacations 2021. Also, I will be making a special video on what online activities you shall not take that are not productive. So subscribe me today and you will get the notification for every video that is being uploaded. Bye bye. Take care.